Welcome to Kidzoon TV. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's learn birds' name, diet, behavior and species. Penguins are not actually birds in the traditional sense. While they share some common characteristics with birds, such as feathers and a beak, they are a group of flightless, aquatic birds that have adapted to a primarily marine lifestyle. Penguins are social birds and often live in colonies to provide protection from predators and to maintain body warmth in cold climates. Penguins have evolved to be excellent swimmers. Their wings have evolved into flippers, which they use for swimming and diving. These adaptations have made them efficient hunters in the water. Penguins are carnivorous and primarily feed on fish, squid, and krill. They use their sharp beaks to catch and eat their prey. There are several species of penguins, each with its own unique characteristics. Some well-known species include the emperor penguin, king penguin, Adelie penguin, and gentoo penguin. Pheasants are a group of birds that belong to the family Phasianidae. They are known for their colorful plumage and are typically ground-dwelling birds. Pheasants are native to various parts of the world and are often hunted for sport and for their meat. Pheasants are known for their striking and colorful plumage, with males often having more vibrant and elaborate patterns than females. These colorful features are often used in courtship displays. Pheasants are typically ground-dwelling birds, and they are known for their distinctive calls, especially during the breeding season. They are often shy and prefer to hide in vegetation when they sense danger. Pheasants are omnivores and have a diverse diet that includes seeds, insects, small invertebrates, and plant matter. They use their strong bills to forage for food on the ground. Pigeons, also known as rock doves, are a species of bird that are found in urban, suburban, and rural environments around the world. They belong to the family Columbidae and are known for their distinctive features and behaviors. Pigeons are medium-sized birds with a stout body. They typically have a bluish-gray plumage, but there are various color variations, including white, brown, and spotted patterns. They have a distinctive head with a small, round beak and a distinctive eye that is often colored orange or reddish. Pigeons are generally social birds and often form flocks. They are known for their distinctive cooing calls and the courtship displays where males puff up their chests and strut in front of females. Pigeons are granivorous birds, meaning they primarily feed on seeds and grains. They are known for scavenging human food scraps and are often seen in city parks, plazas, and near restaurants, foraging for discarded food. Quails are a group of small to medium-sized birds that belong to the family Phasianidae, which also includes pheasants and partridges. Quails are known for their distinctive appearance and are found in various regions around the world. Quails typically have plump bodies with short legs and a small, rounded head. They are known for their cryptic plumage, which often includes mottled patterns and earthy colors like brown and gray. Some species have distinctive crests on their heads. Quails are ground-dwelling birds and are often found foraging on the ground for food. They are known for their distinctive calls, which vary between species and are often used for communication within their flocks. Quails are omnivorous birds and feed on a varied diet that includes seeds, insects, small invertebrates, and plants. Their diet may change with the seasons, depending on food availability. There are many species of quails worldwide, with different species found in various regions. Some well-known quail species include the northern bobwhite, California quail, and Gambel's quail, among others. Ravens are large, highly intelligent, and adaptable birds that belong to the Corvidae family, which also includes crows, magpies, and jays. They are known for their dark plumage, distinctive calls, and their association with various myths, legends, and cultural symbolism. Ravens are generally large birds with black plumage, a wedge-shaped tail, and strong, curved bills. They have a wingspan of about 3 to 4 feet and can weigh between 1 to 3 pounds. In some lighting conditions, their plumage may appear iridescent. Ravens are omnivorous and have a diverse diet. They eat a variety of foods, including small mammals, insects, carrion, fruits, nuts, and garbage. Their scavenging behavior is a key part of their survival strategy. Robins are small to medium-sized songbirds belonging to the Turdidae family. They are known for their distinctive appearance, including their bright orange-red breast and their melodious song. Robins are easily recognized by their bright orange-red or rusty-red breast, which contrasts with their grayish-brown back. They have a white belly and a distinctive yellow bill with a black tip. Their appearance varies slightly depending on the species, but the red breast is a common feature. Robins are diurnal birds, meaning they are active during the day. They are known for their sweet, melodious song, which is used for communication, territorial defense, and attracting mates. Robins have a varied diet that includes insects, worms, fruits, and berries. They are known for their habit of foraging for earthworms on lawns and in gardens. There are several species of robins worldwide, and they can vary in appearance and distribution. In North America, the American robin, Turdus migratorius, is one of the most well-known species. Seagulls, often simply referred to as gulls, are a group of seabirds belonging to the family Laridae. They are known for their distinctive appearance, wide distribution along coastlines, and their association with the sea. Seagulls come in various sizes and colors, but they typically have white plumage with gray or black markings. They have long wings, a slightly hooked bill, webbed feet, and some species have distinctive features like dark wingtips. Seagulls are known for their social behavior and can often be seen in large flocks, especially near food sources. They are highly agile flyers and can perform intricate aerial maneuvers. Seagulls are opportunistic omnivores. They have a varied diet that includes fish, crustaceans, insects, small mammals, and scavenged food from human sources, such as garbage and discarded food. There are many species of seagulls around the world, and their specific characteristics can vary. Common species include the herring gull, ring-billed gull, and the great black-backed gull. Shrikes are a group of small to medium-sized birds known for their predatory and carnivorous behavior. They belong to the family Lanidae and are often called butcher birds due to their habit of impaling their prey on sharp objects, such as thorns or barbed wire. Shrikes typically have a compact body with a hooked beak and strong legs. Their plumage varies by species but often includes gray, black, and white colors. Some shrikes have distinctive markings, such as a black mask over their eyes. The impaling behavior serves as a way to store food for later consumption and to tear apart larger prey into more manageable pieces. This behavior has given them the nickname butcher birds. Shrikes are carnivorous birds that primarily feed on insects, small mammals, and small birds. They are known for their hunting technique, which involves capturing prey and impaling it on sharp objects to store it for later consumption. There are about 30 species of shrikes worldwide, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Notable species include the loggerhead shrike in North America and the long-tailed shrike in Asia. Sparrows are small passerine birds that belong to the family Passeridae. They are known for their small size, often brown and gray plumage, and their adaptability to urban and rural environments. Sparrows are found on nearly every continent and are familiar birds in many cultures. Sparrows are small birds with rounded bodies, short tails, and strong, conical beaks. They typically have brown or gray plumage with streaks and markings. Male and female sparrows often have similar appearances, but there can be subtle differences in coloration. Sparrows are social birds that often live in flocks. They are known for their constant chirping and chattering. Their vocalizations are used for communication within their group and during courtship. Sparrows are primarily seed eaters, but they also consume a variety of insects, and invertebrates, especially during the breeding season. They forage on the ground and in low vegetation. There are many species of sparrows around the world, each with its own range and characteristics. Some common species in North America include the house sparrow and song sparrow. Starlings are medium-sized songbirds belonging to the family Sternidae. They are known for their striking iridescent plumage, acrobatic flight, and their ability to mimic sounds and vocalizations from their environment. Starlings typically have glossy black plumage with a metallic sheen that can show shades of green and purple. In the spring and summer, their plumage can be covered in white spots. Their bills are sharp and yellow, and they have short legs. Starlings are social birds and are often seen in large flocks, especially during migration and in the winter. They are known for their synchronized flight patterns, which can create mesmerizing aerial displays. Starlings are omnivorous birds with a diverse diet. They feed on insects, fruits, berries, seeds, and even human-provided food. They often forage on the ground in search of food. The European starling, Sturnus vulgaris, is one of the most well-known species, especially in North America, where it has been introduced. There are numerous species of starlings around the world. Storks are large, long-legged wading birds belonging to the family Ciconidae. They are known for their distinctive appearance, their association with the arrival of babies in folklore, and their graceful flight. Storks have a distinctive appearance with long legs, a long neck, and a sharp, pointed bill. They typically have white plumage with black wing and tail feathers, although some species may have different colorations. Storks are often seen foraging for food and water, and they have a characteristic method of hunting where they stand still and wait for prey to come within reach. They are also known for their soaring flight and are capable of covering long distances during migration. Storks are carnivorous birds and primarily feed on a diet of fish, amphibians, small mammals, and insects. They are skilled hunters and are known for their ability to wade in shallow water to catch prey. There are several species of storks, with varying distributions and characteristics. The white stork is one of the most well-known species and is found in Europe and parts of Asia. Swallows are a group of small to medium-sized passerine birds belonging to the family Hirundinidae. They are known for their agile flight, pointed wings, and their characteristic habit of swooping and darting through the air to catch flying insects. Swallows are easily recognizable by their streamlined bodies, long wings, and forked tails. They typically have blue or iridescent black plumage on the upper parts and white or buff underparts, although there can be variations in coloration among species. Swallows are known for their swift and agile flight, characterized by rapid wing beats and quick turns. They are often seen in flocks, especially during migration. Swallows are primarily insectivorous and feed on flying insects, such as flies, mosquitoes, and other small prey. Their aerial acrobatics allow them to catch insects in mid-flight. There are many species of swallows around the world, with variations in plumage, distribution, and behavior. Some common species include the barn swallow, tree swallow, and cliff swallow. Swans are large waterfowl birds known for their elegance, long necks, and distinctive white plumage. They belong to the family Anatidae and are known for their grace both on water and in the air. Swans are easily recognizable by their long, graceful necks and white plumage. However, not all swan species are white, some have gray or black plumage. They have webbed feet for swimming and a distinctive, prominent bill. Swans are known for their graceful and calm demeanor on the water. They are excellent swimmers and are often seen gliding on the surface. They are also strong flyers and can migrate long distances. Swans are herbivorous birds, primarily feeding on aquatic plants, algae, and sometimes small aquatic invertebrates. They are known for their ability to feed by tipping forward in the water to reach underwater vegetation. There are several species of swans worldwide. The two most well-known species are the mute swan and the trumpeter swan. The mute swan is recognized by its all-white plumage and a distinctive orange bill with a black knob at the base. The tailor bird is a small songbird belonging to the family Cysticolidae. There are many species of tailor birds found in various parts of the world, primarily in Africa, South and Southeast Asia, and some parts of Oceania. These birds are known for their distinctive behavior of sewing or stitching leaves together to create nests, which is where they get their name tailor bird. Tailor birds often have bright and colorful plumage, with a wide range of colors and patterns depending on the species. They can be green, brown, or a mix of colors, allowing them to blend into their leafy habitats. They are small birds, usually measuring around 10 to 15 centimeters, 4 to 6 inches, in length. They primarily feed on insects and small invertebrates, foraging among the leaves and branches of trees and shrubs. The great tit, Parus major, is a small passerine bird found in Europe and Asia. It is a common and widespread species known for its distinctive appearance and behavior. Great tits are easily recognizable by their black head and white cheeks, a greenish-yellow back, bright yellow underparts, and a black line down the center of their chest. They also have a white wing bar and a distinctive black pattern on their face. Great tits are social birds and can often be seen in flocks, especially during the winter months when they forage for food. They may also engage in aggressive behavior when competing for resources. Their diet consists of a variety of foods, including insects, seeds, fruits, and even small vertebrates. They are known for their acrobatic feeding behavior, often hanging upside down to reach food. Toucans are fascinating and colorful birds known for their distinctive large, brightly colored bills. Toucans are medium to large-sized birds with striking plumage. They are best known for their enormous, often brightly colored bills, which can be over half the length of their bodies. The bill is lightweight and has serrated edges, which makes it easier for them to pick fruits. Toucans are typically social birds, often seen in small flocks. They communicate with one another through a series of vocalizations, including croaking calls and sharp yelps. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, but they will also eat insects, small animals, and occasionally eggs. Their bills are not only used for eating but also play a role in regulating their body temperature. The turkey is a large bird native to North America and is known for its distinctive appearance and culinary importance, especially during Thanksgiving and other holiday feasts. Turkeys have a unique and recognizable appearance, with a bald head and neck, wattles, fleshy protuberances on the neck, and a fleshy growth on the top of the beak called a snood. Male turkeys, known as toms or gobblers, typically have more colorful and elaborate plumage with iridescent feathers and a long, fan-shaped tail. Female turkeys are called hens and are generally smaller and less colorful. Turkeys are social birds and often gather in flocks. They are known for their distinctive vocalizations, including the famous gobbling sound of male turkeys, which is especially prominent during the breeding season. Turkeys are omnivorous and primarily feed on a diet of seeds, berries, insects, and other small creatures they can find on the ground. Domesticated turkeys are often raised for meat and are typically fed a grain-based diet. Wagtails are a group of small to medium-sized passerine birds in the family Motacillidae. They are known for their distinctive behavior of constantly wagging their tails up and down, which is how they got their name. Wagtails are found in various parts of the world, and they are typically associated with wetland and waterage habitats, although some species can be found in more diverse environments. Some common characteristics of wagtails include their slender bodies, long tails, and prominent black and white markings. They are generally insectivorous, feeding on a wide variety of insects and other small invertebrates. Wagtails are known for their energetic foraging behavior, often seen darting and hopping around as they search for food. Several species of wagtails can be found in different regions, including 1. White wagtail, 2. Yellow wagtail, 3. African pied wagtail, 4. Eastern yellow wagtail. Weaver birds are a group of small to medium-sized passerine birds belonging to the family Plosidae. These birds are known for their intricate and elaborate nests, which they construct from grass, leaves, and other plant materials. Weaver birds are primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa, but some species also inhabit parts of Asia. Weaver birds primarily feed on a diet of seeds and insects. They forage for food on the ground, in trees, and in fields. There are numerous species of weaver birds, each with its unique characteristics and distribution. Some well-known species include the southern masked weaver, the village weaver, and the red-billed quelea. Woodpeckers are a family of birds known for their distinctive behavior of pecking on trees and other hard surfaces with their strong, chisel-like beaks. They belong to the family Picidae, which includes about 200 species worldwide. Woodpeckers vary in size, but they typically have a compact, stocky body, a sharp beak, and strong, pointed tail feathers. Their plumage often features bold patterns with black, white, and various shades of brown and red. Many species have a crest of feathers on their heads. Woodpeckers are found in various habitats, including forests, woodlands, and even urban areas with suitable trees. They are most commonly associated with trees because they use them for nesting and foraging. Woodpeckers are primarily insectivorous. They use their beaks to drill holes in tree bark to access insects, larvae, and other invertebrates. They also eat fruits, nuts, and sap. There is a wide variety of woodpecker species across the world. Some well-known examples include the downy woodpecker, hairy woodpecker, pileated woodpecker, and northern flicker in North America, as well as the great spotted woodpecker and green woodpecker in Europe.